Hi guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you how you can actually sell your USD from Deriv account. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on cashier on the upper left, then you're going to scroll down to Deriv P2P. Once you come here, you can see we have buy, sell, orders, my ads, and my profile. So you're going to click on my ads and click create new ads. Once you've done that, you want to sell your USD. So you're going to click on sell USD. So once you've done that, key in the amount that you wish to sell, which for me is 14, and the price that you wish to sell at. So for me it's going to be 127, and then key in the minimum order and the maximum order. So I like to start with 1 to 14 to allow for the people who want to buy like in a small amount to be able to buy from me. So these people will be sending you cash in exchange for the US dollar. So once you've done that, you're going to key in your contact details. So you'll just put your phone number over there. Once you're done, come over here. Instructions, it's optional, but you can just write something like call me if offline or call me if I'm not available. So once you've done that, you can scroll down to this option where we have payment methods. So one thing you need to note is you need to key in your payment method. So payment method is how you personally wish to get paid. So for me, I prefer M-Pesa, so I selected M-Pesa. So once you're done, you can see before you select the M-Pesa button, the post ad button is not active. So you need to click, once you're done, you need to click on the M-Pesa button to activate the post ad. So once you're done, click on post ad and then click on OK. So once you've done that, you can see that the advert has already been created and it's active now. So let me just go back because I'm using a different account. Let me just go back. To buy and sell options, and clearly you can see the advert that I just created was this one over here. And yeah, our advert is active and we're just waiting for people to start buying from us. Okay, so guys, someone just made an order. So before I can actually release these funds, I need to confirm that I have actually received the exact amount that I'm supposed to receive. So one thing that you need to do is to check your phone or whichever, or maybe your bank account. If you're using bank account as your payment method, use that. Confirm that you've actually received that payment. Then once you have confirmed that you've received the payment, you'll come over here, scroll down and click I have received payments. So once you click on that, you will get a new link. You'll click on the pop-up, there will be a pop-up notification, click on get a new link, and once you click on that, you will get a confirmation from Deriv asking you to confirm that you've actually received the amount that has been stated. And once you click on that, it will bring you to the cashier page and it will come with a pop-up that will require you to click on confirm. So you're going to click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, you will be releasing your funds to the other person. You'll be transferring USD from your account to another person. So Deriv will be doing that for you. Yeah. So once that has been done, you will have completed your transactions and you can choose to rate your clients. If you love rating, for me, I love rating. So I rate my clients, and then just like that, you can see just like that I have already completed my transactions. I've already sold all the $14. So I'm just going to go back to the ads because I do not have another money in my account, and I'm going to delete that advert to avoid inconveniences though. So I'm going to delete the advert. You can deactivate or you can delete. So I'm going to delete it. So guys, this is how you do it. This is how you buy or you sell your USDs from Deriv, and This is just the entire process. If you have any questions, then you can ask me and I'll be able to assist. So until next time, guys.